standing in front of my new TV wall. I am so excited. I'm so proud of myself. I'm glad that I did it. I'm glad that I did it because I was procrastinating for a long time because I couldn't get what I wanted, but I'm glad that I did it. Oh my gosh, look at it, guys. The TV still has to be mounted. As you guys can see, the TV is not mounted. Move this out. Ruining the view. The TV is not mounted yet, but come on now. Come on now. Come on. It's not mounted, but you guys get the vision. Look at that. A full fireplace would be perfect right there, huh? My husband's gonna kill me. That looks so good. Now all we need to do is the rest of the living room. But I'm so glad. Sorry for the lighting, guys. Outside is so dark and gloomy. If I don't use my ring light, you guys won't be able to see me. You won't be able to see me at all. But I'm glad it's done. We was actually supposed to receive the TV mount yesterday, but we didn't get it, unfortunately. So I don't know what they're going to do, if they're going to ship it today. Don't know. It's like after 8 in the morning now. It's like 8:23 right now, but who knows? We still have the whole day to go, so they might send it today, but they didn't send us any notification or an email or anything saying that it was going to be late. But the guy did tell us in store they have a high delivery traffic, so it might take longer than that. So we'll just cross our fingers. I hope that it gets here before weekend. Today is Thursday. Hopefully it gets here before weekend, because after this week we got Thanksgiving. So I want to put this up and have everything mounted, have the area cleaned and everything, so I can start decorating, because I want to put up my tree. Like, I really want to put up my tree. I'm seeing the girlies on YouTube putting up their tree. I want my tree up too. Okay? And Thanksgiving is like right there. Right there. So we are going out today. I'm going to just do some cleaning. If you guys can hear my machine going, it's because I'm doing laundry. I'm going to do some cleaning and try to get this room in order, because it looks horrible, y'all. It looks like a construction site. I have paint cans over there and the paint container over there, my level ruler, I have my drill bit, I have the paint can here on the floor, I have my ladder, and I have everything that was inside this TV stand still outside of the TV stand. So that's what I'm going to do, just move everything around and just make the room look a lot more, you know, put together, because I cannot function. I can't function. Every time I see this clutter, it makes me feel like I'm going crazy. So we need to get rid of it. So that's what I'm going to do. And hopefully, if the mount comes today, I will pick the camera back up and let you guys know it got here. And we'll probably put it up later on today, if it comes today, or tomorrow or the weekend. Not too sure. But yes, look at my TV wall. The paint didn't bleed through my painter's tape, and I usually have a bleed through every time I use that painter's tape, but I guess this paint was so thick that it didn't even bleed through the painter's tape, which I'm excited with. Look at those clean lines. Ah, look at the clean lines. Ah. Girl, I don't know why it took so long to do this. I don't know why. But anyways, guys, I'm going to pick up the camera a little later when I have something to give you guys, because right now I'm just going to be cleaning, unless you guys want to see me do that. I'm just going to be cleaning up this jungle room, and that's about it. So see you guys when something else exciting happens, or I do something exciting, which is unusual. shopping, we need some food. Number one, and I want to also go ahead and check out some stores to see if they have any Christmas decor that I'm interested in, because for me here, it's hard for me to shop for Christmas. It's hard for me to shop for Christmas because my style I can't really find in stores, if that makes sense. I think if I was living in a city like part of Germany, like Berlin or Hamburg or maybe München or something, it would be easy to find modern home decor and stuff. But here I don't find it unless I'm looking in the wrong places. But anyways, today we're gonna go grocery shopping as well as looking for some Christmas decor. I want to find some stuff for my buffet table. That's my bar area inside the living room slash dining room section of, yeah. In that area, I want to decorate that table as well as the entryway. I don't want to look for too many things, just a few items to add to what I already have. I don't plan to change my color scheme, what I had last year. My color scheme, was like whites and golds and bronze and some rose gold, or like this blush kind of pink. If you guys can remember my decor from last year, I'm going with the same thing. I'm just going to try to rearrange it and decorate it a little differently so it looks different. That's all I plan to do. And I want a few extra items just to fill out the tree a little more if I can find any. If not, then I just use what I have. But that's the plan for today. Hubby's already ready, so I'm gonna go ahead and join him and we're gonna go grocery shopping, and I'll try to do some little, I guess, montages of me shopping if I can. I've never done that before. So I'm gonna try, and you know, hopefully it comes out good. If it doesn't, then it won't be in the vlog. But let's go shopping, guys. Enough talking. Let's go shopping. Y'all, it's after 5. We're just getting home from the food store. It's pitch black. Like, you can't see anything outside. Okay? I'm just waiting on Babes to open the gate, and then we're going to carry the groceries inside. But I think I'm going to just give y'all a grocery haul, and then after that, in the morning, I'm going to record the Christmas decor haul because I'm tired. Number one, it's rainy, I'm a little wet, so I'm a little irritated. And I just want to relax. So we're going to have a quick, easy dinner this evening, but I'm going to do the grocery haul for you guys, and in the morning I'm going to record the Christmas decor haul. So when I get inside, I'll start the haul. But I just needed to tell y'all, it is pitch black. Like, I mean, you can't see anything around me. You can't see anything. See y'all when I get inside. So these are the grocery that we got. It's not much, but it's enough for us. We're going to go shopping again just to get some meat because we didn't really get any meat. But we got orange juice, some tea. I got me some Earl Grey tea as well as some himbeer. Himbeer is, you can see it, raspberry tea, as well as some deodorant. Gotta get the deodorant. I like this natural one because natural deodorants don't really help, but this one does. It helps me a lot, but when I need that extra help, the dry active definitely works as well. We got some liquid butter, we got some cheese, some dairy-free, lactose-free milk. This is hubby's, is regular milk. Some mayo. We got some salad dressing. This is a French dressing, and this one is Caesar. We got some Worcestershire sauce because you know your girl like to cook with Worcestershire sauce because I can't find brown in here in Germany. Whatever. I got some nail remover because your girl nails are toe up and I need to remove them. I've got this Essence cocoa nuts. I've never used this before, but it looks pretty nice, so I said why not try it. Essence has some really nice polish. We got some Zwiebel onion. Zwiebel is onion in German. Onion powder, as well as these. It's like a teig roll that you boil, but in water. They boil it in water, but I'm gonna boil it in a sauce. I'm gonna cook my meat down, like when I do like steamed chicken or something. I'm gonna cook my meat down and then just cut these up and drop it inside, so it'll be like chicken and dumplings. I got, these are for me, salami. They're Vogel salami. Vogel is bird in German, so I think this is turkey or chicken, one of the two. This is salami for hubby, regular salami. Also salami for hubby. This is a bird salami as well, but it's a different taste. We got some eggs. We got this for me. This is actually a hickory honey turkey breast. This one is another chicken breast. This one is a curry chicken breast. I like that. We got some onions, sweet peppers, salad, lettuce. It's salad in German, but it's lettuce in English. Sausage for hubby. This is hubby's bread. He really likes this. It's too heavy, and for me, I don't really eat it often. If I do, I'm gonna eat a little tiny piece. It's really heavy. This is for dinner today, nice and easy. This is for breakfast. We usually have this for breakfast. It's just some nice wheat rolls. Just stick it in the oven for about 12 minutes. We got some carrots, as well as some napkins and toilet paper. And we're going to go shopping tomorrow again for some meat, because we didn't really pick up any meat, because I said it's really dark outside and it's like it's raining, so it's dark and it's wet, and we wasn't into it, so we decided to come home. But yeah, let me turn this camera around. Y'all, I'm right here trying to find the best position for lighting. I can't find it. Everywhere it's just pitch black, so I can only use the lighting in the house, and that's not helping much. But this is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you're interested in the Christmas decor haul, definitely stay tuned. Tomorrow will be the Christmas decor haul. So until then, y'all stay safe. Tschüss. Mwah.